Before you launch any Amazon KDP ad campaign, you need to set up your payment profile first. Here's how to do it step by step. After you log into your KDP account, you have to go to Marketing tab and scroll down to Amazon Ads, choose a marketplace and hit Go to Amazon Ads. You will be redirected to your Amazon Ads console. You have to navigate on the left-hand side to Administration and Billing. In the billing part, go to Payment Settings. And here's the table with all the marketplaces, the countries that you can advertise in. Just click the country that you would like to set up your payment profile for. Right now you can select existing payment profiles that you might have set up for other marketplaces, but let's say that you are doing that for the first time. So you have to click Create Billing Profile. And you have to fill this form with your personal data. So you are advertiser, brand owner. I'm not assuming that you are an agency that is setting up this payment profile. So just make sure that you enter your real data in fields that are required. So you put your real name in advertiser name. Account identifier field is pre-populated, so it can stay this way. Just select your country. Phone number is optional, but you have to provide your address, postal code and city, and also your email that will be used for sending the payment data. Now, the tax information field. You may provide your VAT number. This is value added tax number. If you are registered to VAT, you can provide that number and Amazon will calculate the proper tax rate. And there's a possibility that that tax rate will be limited to 0%, but you have to make sure that you are registered to VAT. If you're not certain, you can leave that field empty. And the last setting, publicly displayed information. So in some countries, especially in European Union, Amazon is obliged to publish the details of people that are paying for ads. You can just select the display author. In that case, author text will be publicly disclosed as your advertiser name. But you have also an option to choose your real name or alternative name. But I just recommend to leave it selected as author. Now just click Save. In the next section, we are specifying our credit or debit card details. After you enter all the details of your credit card, just click Save. After your credit card is accepted, your payment profile is set up correctly, and you can see in the status column that payment profiles are active for selected marketplaces. Now you're all set to start promoting your books with Amazon ads. In the next video, I'll show you how to start your very first ad campaign, so don't miss that one.